Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. The Expert way of learning gives flexibility to learn the course at your own pace and convenience. Our goal is to give you the best learning experience with greater efficiency. Automation Anywhere is a global leader in robotic process automation, offering cloud-native, web-based intelligent automation solutions to the leading companies in various industries. ExpertWorks has custom designed a self-paced course on Automation Anywhere with real-time content, which helps you position yourself well in this highly competitive industry. Let's see more details about the course in the following animation video.
Automation Anywhere is a web-based management system that uses a control room to run the automated tasks. It can automate end-to-end business operations for companies. This tool combines conventional RPA with intellectual elements like natural language understanding and reading any unstructured data. The three core components of Automation Anywhere are Bot Creator, Control Room, and Bot Room. Many organizations today depend on robotic automation platforms to develop their intelligent digital workforces. Automation Anywhere uses three types of robots to create processes, namely TaskBot, MetaBot, and IQBot.
Hope you have a great time going forward. Never stop learning.